हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है नेटवर्किंग। दिस इज़ अ नेटवर्किंग मॉडल। क्लियर? ओके। व्हाट इज़ नेटवर्क? अ network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources. Resources like printer, CD, scanner, etc. and is exchange file or allow electronic communications. The computer on a network may be linked through cable, telephone lines, radio waves, etc. There are types of network. How many type? Four type. Okay. Four type: LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. Yeah, this is the structure of computer network. LAN means local area network. MAN means metropolitan area network. WAN means wide area network and PAN means personal area network. This is a local area network. All the computers connected to the wire. ठीक है? That's called a LAN. What is LAN? A LAN, a local area network, is a computer network that interconnects computer within a limited area, such as residence, school, laboratory, university, campus or office buildings. Some advantage and disadvantage of the LAN. Clear? First advantage: resource sharing, separated components, network evolution and low error rates. This is the advantage of LAN. Then some disadvantages: relatively high cost, high degree of maintenance, constant need for the upgrades. This is the metropolitan area network. Hospital, college, factory and school that are connected to each other, that's called the MAN, metropolitan area network. What is MAN? A metropolitan area network is a computer network that interconnects user with the computer resources in a geographic region of the size of a metropolitan area, like city. Advantage and disadvantage of MAN. Some advantage like high security, flexibility of the proposed service. Disadvantage: the large network becomes difficult to manage, difficult to make the system secure from the hackers and industrial. This is a wide area network. Two or more LANs are connected to each other via network, that's called the wide area network. What is WAN? A wide area network is a telecommunication network that extends over a large geographical area for the primary purpose of computer networking. Wide area networks are often established with least telecommunication circuits. Clear? Some advantage and disadvantage of WAN. Advantage like increased efficiency, easy to communicate, and some disadvantage: security problems, training costs, maintenance problem. Now, personal area network, PAN. All the accessories are connected to each other via a network, personal area network. This is called a personal area network. When some accessories are connected to each other, that's called the personal area network. What is a PAN? A personal area network is a computer network for interconnected electronic devices centered on a individual person's workplace. A PAN provides a data transmission among devices such as computer, smartphone, tablets, and personal digital assistants. Advantage and disadvantage of PAN. Advantage: they are quick and easy. Pen usually need less technical skill. Devices are easy to portable. And some disadvantage: pen have limited range. Devices are not compatible with each other. Devices are with the inbuilt weapons are more expensive. Clear? These are the computer networking. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel.